Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple process of deleting your call history on the updated WhatsApp desktop app. Let's get started. First, launch the WhatsApp desktop app on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, head over to the WhatsApp website, download the app, and follow the installation prompts. Once you have the app open, look to the left sidebar where you'll see various icons. Click on the Calls icon. This will bring up your call history, allowing you to see all your recent voice and video calls. Now, let's clean up your call history. To delete a specific call, simply find the call you want to remove. Once you've located it, right-click on that entry. A menu will appear, and from there, select the option that says Delete. Confirm your choice, and just like that call will be removed from your history. If you want to delete more calls, simply repeat the previous step. Just right-click on each call you wish to remove and select Delete for each one. It's a straightforward process that helps keep your call log tidy and organized. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully deleted your call history on the WhatsApp desktop app. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.